Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about a fairly unknown tool pouch from KNIPEX. I really like the different pouches from KNIPEX because they are durable, they are functional, and I use them for different EDC and bushcraft setups. But I have to mention that one of my all-time favorite EDC toolkit pouches is fairly unknown in the community. First, we will talk about the features of this pouch, and in a second step I want to present one of my favorite toolkits inside. The pouch comes with one main compartment, this is the compartment here, and you have different slots with rubber loops on both sides. The main compartment of this pouch is secured with hook and loop, and it's easy to open even with gloves. With the backside you have a lot of different carry options. You can carry it, for example, on your belt, or you can attach it, for example, to a larger tool bag. The KNIPEX hand tools stand for high-end quality, and the quality of this pouch is excellent too. But let's take a look inside. Surely a KNIPEX pouch needs KNIPEX tools. This one is the KNIPEX Pliers Wrench in the 150mm version. Maybe my favorite series from KNIPEX, this is the KNIPEX Cobra in the 150mm version. The next item, always useful, this is the Wera Tool Pouch. It's a mix of a screwdriver and a ratchet, one of my all-time favorite tools. A little bit MacGyver style is necessary. This is the Victorinox Outrider, one of my favorite tools. I have a great working blade, I have, for example, a saw and useful different other tools. It's a backup tool and always useful to have it in your toolkit. Also very popular in the EDC community, let's talk about the Wera Tool Check. The Wera Tool Check comes with a great setup of different bits and different nuts. I love the combination with this little ratchet too. In combination with the Wera Tool Pouch, it's a very powerful set for the work around the house or for your EDC toolkit. The next item in this rubber loop is a Städler permanent marker. I really like the Städler quality, and it's always useful to have a permanent marker with you. Last but not least, one of my favorite flashlights. This one is the Fenix LD12R. This flashlight comes with some useful features, for example the magnetic pocket clip, a high quality flashlight, and you also have a sidelight here. And another cool feature is that this flashlight is rechargeable with a USB to USB-C cable, a great feature especially when you have the flashlight, for example, in your car. Please let me know in the comment section below, are you using this KNIPEX pouch too? It's definitely one of my favorites and I'm excited about your comments.